Welcome to ICP-USA's Weatherproof featuring products built for rugged automation. When the environment is harsh, your automation needs to be even tougher. Meet the EDS-205ATL, a 5-port industrial Ethernet switch built for harsh realities. Inside its rugged IP40-rated aluminum housing is a smart plug-and-play core that keeps your network moving, even in minus 40 to 85 degrees Celsius environments. Overvoltage, overcurrent, and EMC protected. Redundant DC power inputs, intelligent alarm monitoring. The EDS-205 ATL isn't just built to survive, it's built to protect. Need protocol bridging and process automation? The GW7552-M connects PROFIBUS DP masters to Modbus RTU slaves with seamless integration. Whether you're working with PLCs, sensors, or M7000 modules, it keeps communication flowing in temperatures from minus 25 to 75 degrees Celsius, precision under pressure. That's the PET AR400. With 24-bit high-speed differential IEPE inputs and a built-in Modbus TCP interface, it's made for accurate data capture, even in mobile or mission-critical setups. With true IEEE 802.3, power over Ethernet and optional auxiliary power, setup is simple and flexible. Rugged housing, ventilated metal shell, and wide temperature tolerance let it thrive where other devices fail. The next products are designed for industrial environments where moisture is present and water resistance is essential. These devices deliver reliable performance without compromise. Introducing the DL300 IP65 series from ICP-USA. Industrial-grade data loggers engineered for harsh environments. With IP65 rated protection, a sealed RJ45 connector, and shock-resistant housing, this series is built to perform where others fail. Units within the series can record carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, temperature, humidity, and dew point, with precise time stamping and up to 450,000 records stored on board. Connect with confidence using RS-485, Ethernet, or PoE. Access real-time data anytime through free Windows software or mobile apps for iOS and Android, all over your local network. Seamlessly integrate with SCADA and HMI systems using Modbus RTU, Modbus TCP, DCON, or MQTT, built for today's connected industry. Need a rugged and responsive HMI? The VPD series delivers a brilliant 3.5-inch high-resolution touchscreen, IP65 front panel, and versatile connectivity, perfect for any automation upgrade. With free HMI work software, you can create intuitive graphical interfaces in minutes. With non-volatile memory, 4 kilovolt ESD protection, and a wide negative 20 to 70 degrees Celsius temperature range, it's built for real-world durability. For clear, real-time communication, the ICANN124 is your industrial-grade message display. Display up to 64 common and 10 instant messages in up to 7 colors and multiple languages. Messages are fully editable through your web browser or mobile device. Compatible with Modbus TCP and RTU, the ICANN124 fits perfectly into your SCADA and PLC infrastructure, keeping your operations informed at a glance. Built to withstand, built to connect, built for industry. Explore the full line of rugged industrial solutions at ICP-USA. When the environment pushes your equipment to the limit, choose ICP-USA, engineered for rugged automation.